ACV, or apple cider vinegar, is a popular folk remedy for good reason. Unrefined ACV contains a cobweb-like amino acid-based substance found in unprocessed, unfiltered vinegar, which offers many health benefits. However, ACV can make your stomach lining flare up like 4th of July fireworks, deteriorating it over time. ACV's acid content can have a harsh effect on the mucous membranes of the skin in the mouth and throat. It can also cause detrimental effects to the stomach lining. It can even cause burns of the mouth, throat, and serious heartburn. The stomach lining degrades over time when people take ACV every day and can lead to the development of bad bacterial infections like H. pylori due to the overly acidic environment which is created. Those little buggers love an acidic stomach. The regular use of apple cider vinegar can also cause low potassium levels, an important electrolyte that helps nerves communicate in our bodies. So how do you take ACV safely without causing permanent stomach lining damage? Don't take apple cider vinegar every day. Only take ACV watered down significantly and when you feel a cold or flu coming on. Never take ACV if you suffer from heartburn or esophageal discomfort, such as in hiatal hernia. Brush your teeth immediately after drinking it to avoid decreasing your tooth enamel. Concentrate on changing your body's pH by eating more alkaline foods, getting exercise, and staying physically fit. If you take ACV, make sure to supplement with potassium-rich foods like winter squash, white beans, or bananas. ACV can boost your health, but for certain conditions, it can make things worse. Know when to take it and when to skip it to stay in top shape.